What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, hope y'all out there staying safe and healthy. Of course, I got another great recipe to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification so you can get more of the great videos that I share with everybody on my channel. Alright, let's do it. So today, doing a real easy recipe, y'all. I was in the middle of putting my prep together to make my food. So I said, you know what? Why not share it with everybody? That's how I do, y'all. Freestyle cooking, man. You know, this might be a recipe y'all like or want to try. So I'm always trying to give y'all something. So let's get it in. Alright, so real easy recipe. I'm making some oven baked pollock. Got some pollock on the board, as you can see. Got a nice big piece of pollock. Had it on sale at the market, so I had to get it. You know, I be really tripping on the sales. If I see, even if it's not in my mind to do this particular recipe, I'll see something on sale, then instantly be like, all right, this is what I'm gonna do with that. And you know, I go crazy in the market, y'all. Y'all know how it is. Some of y'all know how it is. When you go in there to get one thing, you come out with a whole cart full. All right, and I'm also gonna do a black bean and corn salsa. Or salad, you know, whatever, however you want to call it. Black bean, corn, salsa, and salad. Alright? So, we're going to get it in. So, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our fish seasoned up. Alright? So, heat your oven up to 375. Boom. Season the fish up real easy. Got some kosher salt. And for this piece of fish, this is maybe a couple of pounds. So I'm going to be a little generous with the salt. Nice, you know, pollock is kind of thick, like halibut. So, you know, you want to really make sure your meat is seasoned up. Give it some pepper. And when you put it in your pan, y'all, you know, or you're using a whatever baking dish you use, make sure you grease your baking dish. See, I'm using this non-stick foil. Y'all need to try it. Wonders, trust me when I tell you. Alright, after my pepper, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my Creole seasoning, because I just love this seasoning. But you know, you can just stick with salt and pepper, guys. You can just stick with salt and pepper. And I'm gonna also add some garlic powder. That's it. Real easy because I had the fish, like I said, I seen it on sale, so I said I could make it, have something to take to lunch tomorrow, and there we go. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter. All right, so I'm gonna add some butter. Just slice some slices on top, because I want that buttery flow to mix in with my seasoning. And that's it, y'all. Nothing fancy. Real easy. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drop this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how thick your pollock is. If you got the fillets, if you bought it frozen. This right here, I got it fresh. Maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it starts to flake up. Because when your pollock is done, you know it's nice and flaky and easy to flake with the fork. All right, so let's get this in the oven, y'all. Another thing I wanted to share with y'all, I'm using my digital thermometer. Real nice tool to have in your kitchen. Sometimes I use this to make sure my protein gets to the right desired temperature, so I know that it's done. You know what I mean? So sometimes I use it, and I got this nice big piece where it's kind of thick on one end, kind of thin at another end. So I stick the temperature rod in the thickest piece. And you know, I can set the timer. As you can see, I can set my desired target, set it, boom. Once it gets to that target, it'll go off. Real nice tool to have, y'all. You can get it in Target, man. Digital thermometer, cooking thermometer. Try it out, y'all. Just had to share that with y'all real quick. You feel me? But definitely a good tool to have. You're cooking chicken, steak. Alright, so we want our pollock to be about 145. That's where we about done at, 145, where it's nice and flaky. And that's how we want it. Alright. Also, now that the pollock is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make our black bean and corn salsa or salad. You know what I mean? It's one or the other. let's do it. You can use this salad or salsa on anything, literally. You can eat it with tortilla chips, Doritos. I eat it on fish. Sometimes I eat it on chicken. I mean, you can do whatever you want with the salsa. And then you can eat it by itself. Alright, so let's put it together real fast, real easy. Alright, so what you're going to need is, I got some black beans. Right, got some canned black beans. And if you're using the canned black beans, make sure you rinse them off, because you know they got like that little paste when you open the can, and a little syrupy like sauce. Rinse them off. Got me some corn. Okay, and I'm not making a lot, so this was just one little like 15-ounce can. That's it. This is about a cup of frozen corn, ready to go, thawed out. Got me some shallots right here, or you could use red onion. You know, just maybe, you know, quarter cup. Depending on if you're making a salad for like a party or a crowd, you definitely want to, you know, double the ingredients based on how many cans of beans you're using and so forth. All right. This is one Roma tomato I got diced up. Okay. Got some minced garlic, fresh garlic diced up. Got some fresh cilantro. Also got some red bell pepper. You could also add avocado. I didn't have any avocados, but I would have added avocado to this. Alright, so let me get my bowl. Oh wait, before we do the bowl, we're going to make the dressing that we're going to need. So the dressing, you're going to need, I got some lime juice. I didn't have any fresh limes, but fresh limes, fresh is always best. Alright. We're going to use some olive oil. I got some extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Some red wine vinegar. Alright. Some salt. Pepper. And I'm gonna add a little bit of, now this is the basic of what you need for your dressing right here, y'all. Okay, this is what y'all need. Okay. But I'm gonna add, you know, I like a little bit of spice. You know, if you watch my videos, I'm always adding some type of spice. So I got my Maggi hot seasoning. Okay, but you can use hot sauce or whatever. All right. And I'm also use some. I got some red pepper flakes. But that's optional, y'all. If you got the olive oil, lime juice, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, you good. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get our olive oil in here. All right. And for this amount I'm making, I'm probably going to use about 2-3 tablespoons. That's it, because I'm not making a lot. If you're making a lot, like I said, you will be in that area using maybe a cup and a half. Okay. The lime juice, you want to add about 3 teaspoons. Alright, that's about 3 teaspoons. Same thing with my red wine vinegar. At about 2 tablespoons. Like I said, I'm not making a lot, so just making a little bit, you know. And I will do 2 teaspoons of my Maggi hot seasoning. Alright. Add my red pepper flakes. Another teaspoon. Or maybe quarter teaspoon. Alright. Go ahead and add my freshly chopped minced garlic. Add my salt. A teaspoon of salt. Alright, half a teaspoon of pepper. And then I want to get us a good stir. And there we go, y'all. Simple as that. We got our dressing. Okay, for our sauce. Alright, so I'm going to set that to the side. Get our bowl. Just add everything in the bowl, y'all. There go our black beans. Next, go ahead and add my corn. And I want to go ahead and mix this up because I want to make sure everything gets incorporated nice. Next, add my tomatoes. Nice. And my red bell pepper. And this is, I don't know if I forgot to tell y'all I'm using the bell pepper, but got about a half a red bell pepper here, y'all. A small one because I'm not, you know, like I said, I'm not making a whole lot. You know, this will be going in a day. Next, I want to go ahead and add my shallots. Oh. Next, I'll add my fresh cilantro. Here we go, y'all. Mix that all up, get it all incorporated. Look at that, y'all. Looking righteous already, right? Look at that, y'all. Alright. So now, I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. Go. Mix it all together. And that's it, y'all. Our salsa, our salad, our black bean and corn salad is done. And like I said, you can use this on tacos, fish, chicken. Like I said, a appetizer flow with some tortillas, some scoop joints. Taste. There we go. And you know, you want to put this on chill, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few while I'm waiting on my palate, and we ready to plate up, y'all. Told y'all real quick, man. I was just that's what I had a taste for, so I'm sharing it with y'all. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Got our Pollock up out the oven, y'all, looking real good. My ringer went off in like approximately 15 minutes. Perfect temperature, 145. Oh yeah, y'all. Just let it rest for a minute or two, and then we're gonna get this thing plated on up, y'all. Boom, and there we go, y'all. Got our Pollock done, topped with our black bean and corn salsa. Oh yeah, y'all. Fish is nice and flaky. Let me try to get a close up for y'all so y'all can check this out, man. Come on, man. Let me help out with the zoom. Get a good look at. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Fish is nice, juicy. Look at how they're so flaky. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. See that? Oh, ready to go in. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take one piece, y'all. My bad. Let me take a piece. Oh my goodness. The flavor, you know, the butter that melted all nice into the meat. Oh my goodness, y'all. Good, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's there, y'all. You know what I mean? You know, I might add some hot sauce or something to it. I got some aioli. Let me get some of my aioli right here. Get that up on there, y'all. Let me some of the aioli sauce up on there. Let's really get it in. Oh, it's just falling apart. That's how you know it's nice and flaky, when it's just falling apart like that, y'all. Oh yeah. I don't want to eat this whole thing in front of y'all, but you definitely got to try this recipe, y'all. You feel me? So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification. Try this recipe, y'all. You'll definitely love it. All right, and y'all know how I do. Thanks for watching. Holla.